after an awesome day today exploring Nice and heading to the beach, I finally get to come home and make the delicious pasta that I was going to make with the sun-dried tomatoes I bought at the market and the fresh citron olives. So I'm super excited to do that, and I'm going to show you guys quickly a little bit how I make it before I take off for the night to enjoy the rest of my evening. And then I'm heading to Monaco tomorrow, so make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you can follow me on my journeys around the world for the next 2 years. Okay, so here I've diced up some of the sun-dried tomatoes. They smell amazing. I wish this was smell-o-vision so you could smell that. And the olives. I've also just popped open this really cute looking bottle of wine. And sauteing some garlic. My capellini is boiling already. You can tell how hot it is in this apartment right now by how much this bottle is sweating. Wow. Always add a splash into the sauce. And there's the finished masterpiece. It smells absolutely amazing with all those fresh provincial herb olives, the citron, garlic, fresh sun-dried tomatoes from the farmer's market, and then fresh tomato sauce. So tasty. Can't wait to enjoy. Alright, I'm gonna go dig into my delicious meal, and I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow from Monaco on the boat.